What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally got the street glide started, man. Yes, we have finally got this thing fired up, and it's sounding like it's got a whole cam. We know it had exhaust and all that, man. It's got a tuner on this thing, so I really can't wait to test this thing out and see what it feels like on the ground, man. And I haven't rode in a while, so this is actually great for me, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you watch the full video from beginning to end, man. If we're not supported on the website, that's regular.com. I'm actually about to package those items up right now and ship some of those out. Everything on the website is in stock, man. So if you guys haven't supported yet, make sure you head on over there right now and go do so. Everything on the site is only 13 bucks. Meanwhile, man, if you can't support the site, it's all good, man. Just make sure you watch the video from beginning to end, and I'll definitely appreciate you, man. It's love. Meanwhile, man, let's check out the bike and see what we got here. Alrighty, man. So we got this thing fired up yesterday. I'm gonna go over real quick, check to make sure all the bolts and all that is tidied up before I hit this road. But so far, so good. We're gonna get a first start on this mug in a second. When I do, we're gonna pull it out, pop on our helmet, and go for a ride, man. We're not even gonna hold y'all, so let's get right to it, man. Let's do it. All right, well, let's get this first start, man. Let's fire him up. just like that, guys, we got this thing back in here now. We can definitely confirm this bike has a cam on it, because any other regular 107 would not ride like that. Like, out of all people, trust me, I will be the one to know. This not a stock 107. It's got a cam, upgrades, and of course it's got the DynoJet tuner, or the Vance & Hines Tour Dyno Pack tuner in there as well, man. So that is pretty dope. This thing is a beast of a bike. Now, all it needs is a freaking paint job, man. What y'all think we should do with this thing, man? Let me know in the comments below, man. It would be dope to change this thing up a bit. But I don't know, if y'all really want some Street Glide content, I miss riding one of these, that's for sure. Miss riding one of these, that's for sure. But more than I miss riding one of these, man, I miss riding that Big Daddy, man. So it's time to get this thing situated too. We're still waiting on our ECM for this bike. So as soon as this thing come in, we will get some content with that, man. So y'all stay tuned. I got a few orders I gotta send out right now. So I'm about to pack these orders up and we'll see what else is on the list.